Hi, Peter, or Ridley, or Kathy, or whoever is watching this. I want to show you what I think the gradebook is missing. So here is the gradebook for Math 135 right now that I've updated for this term. And when I went into it, the formula wasn't working. And so this is what I did to help it be a little clearer. First of all, the categories were here before, but they were module 1 and module 2, but there was nothing under them. So it said, like right here where it said bonus, it said, like here it might have said module 2, but instead of listing the module 2 assignments under it, it didn't have anything. And so what I did was I clicked on each assignment and I edited, and then I gave it a category just so that it's a little visually easier for the students to know what's where, and also for making the formula. And the formula for the final calculated grade didn't work. And so this is what I did to make it work. I made a formula to calculate the lowest homework score. And to do that, I went in and I used the formula editor and I typed in the function minimum, then you hit start, and then you list all the homework scores. So one reason the categories I put in here was to make the formula easier. And so you go through and you click homework 1, insert, comma, homework 2, comma, insert, and so forth. And so then that tells you what the lowest homework score is, and that matters because on our grading and evaluation page, we're dropping the lowest homework score, the best 10 of 11 homeworks. So maximum 20 points in this case because each one's 20 points. So I calculated that formula. So that's the lowest homework score. The lowest exam score from our syllabus, modules 2 through 4 exams are going to be replaced with the final exam score if that is higher. So I did another formula. This one's a little harder because each of those 3 exams are worth 150 points and the final exam's 200 points. So the lowest, to do that, I again went in, I made a formula to find the lowest exam. So the lowest exam is going to be 150 points. I used the formula editor and I found the minimum of module 2, 3, and 4, and the final exam, but I multiplied it by 150 and divided by 200, so it was on the same scale. So once I did that, then just to make it clear and easy, I made a category called the sum of all the homework before the lowest was dropped. I actually did a sum of all the exams with the lowest replaced. And so that formula, I did the maximum of the sum of all the exams just as they were, exams 1 through 4. And then I also compared that to exams 1 through 4, and then I subtracted off the lowest exam score that I calculated, and then I added on the final exam score. So this formula will tell me the sum of exams 1 through 4, and it will give me whichever one's higher with the final exam replacement or without. So once I have all that in, I totaled up the discussions and the bonus, and I did that in one step. I summed the projects and the quizzes, and I did that in one step as well because there's nothing special there. And again, that's just a formula where I went in, used the formula editor, and added the sum of all of those. And once I had all of those, then I went to the final calculated grade, and I added all of that up together and made sure it was out of 1,300. And because there's extra credit, I also made sure to click the option that it can exceed that. So I'm more than willing to set this up for the course master so that we don't have to do it every semester. But I really think it's important that we set this up so that we don't have to redo it every semester. Everything else, so the class is looking really great. Peter's done a really, really excellent job, and I've really appreciated all he's done. So let me know if I can help fix this. Thank you.